Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will be showing you how to install Python as a NetBeans plugin. So go ahead and go to the netbeans.org website and let's go ahead and click on the plugins tab. Now if you scroll all the way down, let's browse through the catalog and type in Python. And let's select the first one. The plugin name is Python. And from here, we want to go ahead and click download. So once you get it downloaded onto your file, it will be downloaded in a zip file. So before we can install anything, we need to make sure we extract this zip folder into a regular folder. So great. Now we have a non-zipped folder of all of the plugins that we need. So if you open up NetBeans, there's two ways to install plugins. You can install plugins right here from the start page, or you can click on Tools, Plugins. So now we're in the plugins configuration window, and we want to go to Downloaded. And we don't see our plugins that we downloaded, so we need to add it inside here. Let's go ahead and click on Add Plugins and navigate to where you downloaded the files. And basically, these are all the files that we need. So we're going to do a select all. And then we're going to hit open. And make sure all of these files are checked. And go ahead and hit install. We want to accept because we definitely want them installed. We're going to hit continue. And we are going to say restart. So as the plugins are being installed and as NetBeans are being updated, what's great about installing Python as a plugin in NetBeans is that we're going to have a much more professional development environment while we're learning Python. So great, NetBeans was restarted, and now we're certain that Python was added. So let's go ahead and create our first Python project. There's different ways to create a project in NetBeans. You can go to File, New Project, and notice the icon right here. It is the same icon as this one. So let's go ahead and click on this icon to create a new project. So what kind of project do we want to create? We want to create a Python project. More specifically, what kind of Python project? Select the third one, the option that says Python Project Ant. This is going to create us a new empty Python project. Go ahead and name the project. Remember the project location. And instead, I'm going to uncheck this main file because I want to create files manually by myself. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit finish. I'm going to close out the start page. And there it is. Here is my Python project. And here is my source folder. Right now, underneath my source folder, there is no Python files added. So what I can do is right-click on sources go to New. Let's go ahead and hit Other so we can expand the different options that we want to see. Python, and we want to select Empty Module. I'm going to name it Hello World. And then I'm going to hit Finish. And now I can delete all these comments up here because I want to start empty and fresh. And now I can start coding. And now I can print out simple Hello World. I can right click on this file, or I can hit save. Try right click again. And let me go ahead and hit run. I want this to be my main project that will run. And there we go. I'm able to output this Hello World. So another way to run the file is right-clicking on the actual file underneath your sources and going to Run File. And here, it's going to output whatever code you have inside your Python script. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you start coding with Python through NetBeans.